Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Karen Prince. Thank you guys for stopping by and clicking on this video. Today I'm just going to show you guys 4 different ways that I style my Havana twist. You can use it for braids, faux locks, maybe even your natural hair. So guys, go ahead and stick around and see how I achieve these looks. Okay guys, so here we go. First, I'm going to start off with my hair tie. And then I'm going to begin to bring all of my hair up into a high ponytail. Just going to continue to gather all of that hair up, push it into a pony, bringing my hair tie over all of my hair. And what I'm doing here is I'm trying to move all of my twist forward toward the front of my head. Now guys, I like to go and pull down some of my twists that may be causing a little bit too much tension, especially around my edges. Okay, so my head is being held down. I'm smoothing my twist forward, and now I'm going to do a fishtail braid. So I'm going to take some hair from one side and I'm going to go ahead and cross it over to the other side. Then I'm going to take some hair from that opposite side and cross it over to the other side. Then I'm going to pull hair from one side, cross it over to the opposite side. And these are small sections, guys. So pull small sections and cross them over. Like I said, pull a small section from one side, cross it over to the opposite side, and then you're just going to continue to do that all the way down the braid. And once I start to get to the very end, I just do a regular braid. Now I'm going to take that hair and I'm going to roll it and tuck it under. Just like that. I'm going to grab a bobby pin and pin it in place. Adjust it a little bit. Get the shape you want. Take another bobby pin, pin it down. Guys, go ahead and feel free to use as many pins as you need to get the stability that you want for this style. And that's it, guys. First style of fishtail braided bun. Yay! Okay guys, now on to style number 2. So I'm just going to bring my hair over to the side and I'm beginning to make a section in the front. Then I'm just going to pull my hair up into a high ponytail, a high side ponytail. Taking my scrunchie, wrapping that around. Now I'm going to take that scrunchie and I'm going to use a bobby pin to secure it in place so that my ponytail stays in that specific spot. Now I'm going to go ahead and create a French braid in that front section that I previously sectioned off, and I'm going to braid that all the way down. And then I have a braided bang. So now I'm just taking that braided bang and I'm pulling it back, and I'm going to go ahead and secure it with a bobby pin. Once again, use as many bobby pins as you need to secure your looks. Then I'm just fluffing that hair over, creating that side ponytail effect. And that's it. There you have it, style number 2. Okay guys, look 3 is a quick one. I'm just going to take my hair, part it down the middle, take a small section from the top, and I'm going to begin to create a flat twist going toward the back of my head. Then I'm going to take a bobby pin and just pin that down. I'm going to do the exact same thing to the opposite side. So I'm going to take another bobby pin and pull those 2 twists together and pin it down. And that's it guys for look number 3. A quick, simple, easy style. Okay, so here we go for the last and final look. I'm going to take that same section from the previous look and I'm going to put that up into a ponytail. Going to secure it tightly and wrap the hair tie twice around the base of my ponytail. Like before, I'm just going to pull down any twist that may be causing a little bit too much tension. Here's another cute style, but we're going to go ahead and move forward. Okay, so I'm going to take my ponytail, divide it into 2 sections. Then I'm going to take one section, twist it, and roll it backward. Pin it in place. Use as many pins as you need to. I'm going to do the exact same thing to the other side. Just going to continue to pin and fluff and shape. And that's it guys. A cute, simple, fun style. Okay guys, so that's it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave your questions for me down in that comment section. Also guys, if you do try these styles out, please also leave a comment in the comment section below. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in and I'll see you next time. Bye.